Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is safe and doing well in this pandemic. So guys, in this video I'm gonna give a review about this product called OZiva's Collagen product, which is plant based. And so if you want to know is this product worth buying it, or if you want to know which flavor should you buy the berry orange flavor or should you buy the regular one, then stay with me till the end. So first we will talk about what do you mean by what is collagen, and also this is my personal advice to you: before buying any of the product, do Google it and learn about what is that product actually and will it be beneficial for you. So yeah, let's start. So I have been through many websites, and after that I have find this website to be of more helpful. So here it's written collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, accounting for about 1/3 of its protein composition. So basically collagen is kind of a protein. You can take it in a layman language, okay? And second, here it's written it's one of the major building block of bone, skin, muscle, tendons and ligaments. So basically it's going to be beneficial for your bones, skin, muscle, tendons and ligaments. I'm sure you wouldn't know what do you actually mean by tendon. So for that I have also googled it. Tendon means a flexible but inelastic cord of strong fibrous collagen tissue attaching a muscle to a bone. So basically what it is saying is tendons means you might have seen many aged people, they have this muscles bulging down. So the reason for it, the reason for bulging down is they are lacking in tendon. So yeah, collagen is also found in many other body parts including blood vessels, corneas and teeth. You can think of it as the glue that holds all these things together. In fact, the word comes from the Greek word kolla, which means glue. That's not important. So yeah, I think after reading this shouldn't cause harm to one's body, because after all it's beneficial for your own body. And also after going through many websites, I came across that collagen in a person's body usually declines after the age of 20. So I think if you're about 20, you can surely think of buying this product. Now, second thing you want to know is this product really beneficial, or was it really beneficial for me? So let me tell you, yeah, I did feel it was beneficial for me. And reason behind saying this is, before using this product, I felt that first of all, I found this beneficial from the perspective of my skin, okay? And the reason that I am saying that, yeah, it was beneficial for me is, after using this product, I feel that my skin became more lively, or maybe I should say that it became kind of tight. Yeah, I did feel. And yeah, let me tell you, I wouldn't give the whole credit to this one product. Instead, I will give it to this product also, because I have been using this together. I have been using these both things together. Like, obviously skincare is also necessary even if you're consuming good things. So yeah, if you're thinking of buying this product, I will even recommend you to buy this product with it. So, and now let me tell you which flavor should you buy, whether this flavor or whether this flavor, like whether the orange one or whether this one, regular one. Then I will recommend you the regular one. And the reason behind saying this is, like, I didn't like is the flavor, obviously, because I felt that orange one will be more like, it should be organic like the regular one, but it felt as if it gives you a flavor of Mirinda or say a Fanta. If you have ever drank this drinks, then you can surely come to know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so I didn't personally like this orange one, but yeah, obviously the people who cannot have the regular one, they can surely buy this one, this orange one. And after all, it's your personal choice. So yeah, I hope you find this video to be helpful. If you like this video, do hit that like button. Also, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also guys, if you want me to bring out any other content like reviewing any other product, do comment down below. I will surely try to come up with those reviews. So yeah, Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.